Good morning, wonderful pupils. How are you doing today? I believe you all are fine. Last week on Understanding the World, we learned sinking objects. And I said sinking objects are things that go down to the bottom of the water. In today's class, our topic is sources of light. Let's say it together, sources of light. Here we are going to learn to mention sources of light, and also to be able to tell the difference between the two main sources of light I'm going to teach you. There are two main sources of light. There are two main sources of light. Number one, we have the natural source of light. And number two is the artificial source of light. The two main sources of light we have is natural source of light and artificial source of light. Let's say it together, natural source of light and artificial source of light. Now, the natural source of light is made by God. God made the natural source of light. The artificial source of light is made by man. Artificial source of light is made by man. Now let's look at the sources of light made by God. Number one, we have the sun. The sun helps you to see in the daytime. If you are in a room that is closed, a closed room, the windows are locked, the doors are locked, there is no light, everywhere is dark, can you see? No, you can't see. But when you get your blind open, you open up your blind and the sun rays pass through the house, it helps you to see. Even in the daytime, you walk with the help of the sun. The sun helps the day go brighter. Number two, we have the moon. In the evening or at night, you see the moon appears. It helps to bring light. So the moon is made by God. Number three, we have lightning. Again, lightning. Most times when it rains, you see lightning. It's made by God. The next one we have is fire. Let's say it together, fire. Fire is a natural source of light. Let's look at examples of light made by man, the man-made sources of light. The first picture we have here is candle. Again, candle. It is made by man. The next one we have is lamp. A lamp is made by man. We have lamps in our houses. It brings light. When you have the light at home, use the lamp to see. The next one we have is torch. How many of you have a torch? I do. It helps you see. When you're walking out in the dark or in your room, you're trying to look for something, you could actually use a torch when there is no light at home. The television is made by man, and also it produces light. The traffic light, as the name implies, produces light. So that's the end of our class today. Look around you and look for things that produces light, that helps you see, or that produces light in your home. Have a lovely day. See you in our next class. Bye-bye.